Hello. I'd like to take a moment to introduce you to Altudo's Sitecore Upgrade offering called Zeus. So what is Zeus? Well, it's a way for your organization to get up to speed on the Sitecore digital experience platform in 6 weeks or less. So Altudo, having been a Sitecore Platinum partner, has successfully delivered over 60 plus enterprise upgrades. And in this, you can expect in part of the Zeus package a seamless upgrade without any business interruption or operational interruptions, no content freeze that will allow you to continue your website and web assets as you do, a digital health assessment that will give you very granular view of the performance of your platform configuration, access to our automated scripts that will allow you to go from web forms for marketers to Sitecore forms quickly, as well as establishing user interface testing to ensure the new instance works exactly like your current website. Now, your Solar configuration can be hardened or migrated to a SaaS solution, and your continuous integration, continuous deployment will be automated and configured. All of this will be delivered to you as part of the Zeus package within a 6-week time frame. So what can you expect other than the reliability? Well, you can expect at least 3 of your environments to be moved from 8.x to the latest instance, which could be 10.1 or more. Now, you can also expect your search configuration to be hardened or migrated to a SaaS offering. Your deployment scripts will be delivered, so anytime you need to manage your environment, you will have that availability. And content migration will be part of the package, so your existing data will be migrated over to your new instance. And just to make sure that you are comfortable with the new website, both your non-technical and technical staff members will be given training. So do come and visit us in our virtual booth or in our virtual rooms, as we would like to take a chance to be able to describe Zeus